It's Automation Day. Today, I'm going to talk to you about SCHUNK's linear adjustable clamp force. Check it out. In manufacturing, control isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. That's why SCHUNK Tandem vices are designed with a linear relationship between input pressure and clamp force. What does that mean for you? It means you can precisely set the clamp force to fit your workpiece. No guessing, no overclamping. From the most delicate components to the most rugged materials, your clamp force stays consistent throughout the entire process. Precision clamping, just the way you said it, every time. Linear clamp force, total control. For more information, visit our website, www.fusionoem.com. If you'd like to chat, give us a call, 866-952-9020. Until next time, have a great day.